This is Jackie, the Hot Tub Lady, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited you're here, and I'm just going to let you know up front that I do put out new content every Wednesdays, so be sure to hit the subscribe button right over here and give me a thumbs up. Ask me a question. I'd be thrilled to answer any questions that you may have about a hot tub, because I guarantee you if you have the question, everybody else out there has that question too. So most of the questions that I get are pretty common questions. Today's topic, we're actually going to talk about hot tub deliveries. I actually did a really cool delivery earlier this week. It was about 150 feet in the air, 7 stories up. It was in Milbank, South Dakota. It was really, really cool delivery. In fact, I'll show you some footage a little bit later where I'm actually on top of the building, and you can actually see 3 states from the top of that building. So it's pretty cool. We're capable of doing anything. So when it comes to getting a hot tub in your backyard, you do need to think about it a little bit. They are a huge box that is very, very heavy. Some of those weigh over 1,000 pounds. Sometimes we have to bring in extra equipment like we did earlier this week. Most of the time we can just manhandle it with a special trailer that we have. It's called a spa dolly. I'll put a picture over here just so you can kind of wrap your head around it, but it's designed just to deliver hot tubs, and it's pretty amazing. But when you're thinking about your own backyard, think about the path to get that hot tub back there. They are very heavy, and one thing that we don't do, and people a lot of times will just assume that we're going to pick it up over the fence and put it in your backyard. That doesn't happen. We don't do that. We don't just pick them up onto decks. We can get them up there, but nothing we manhandle. We either have equipment to do so or we have a path. Most of the times we can get through the gate and we can tip the hot tub up on its side, which works really, really well. Just kind of think about that a little bit. If you got retaining walls and stuff like that, no big deal. We can definitely figure out how to do it, but we just kind of need to know up front how it's going to be. I know at my dealership, we actually ask for a video of your backyard on how you're going to get that hot tub delivered. So as you go out shopping, you may want to think about that as you come in, is actually bring that video in with you. If not, it's something you can always get later. It's not the end of the world. The delivery we did in Milbank, South Dakota earlier this week was cool. So like I said, it was 7 stories up. We did have to hire a crane. It was a kind of a big deal. The local newspaper was there taking pictures and that type of thing. You'll see her at the beginning of the video. I interviewed the crane operator, and we got angles from going up and coming down, and it's just kind of cool, and I thought I would share it with you guys and just let you know that we can always get a hot tub in your backyard. Sometimes we just have to think about it a little bit. Stay tuned, watch the rest of the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and just enjoy the video. I will talk to you soon. From this spot right here, you can see North Dakota, Minnesota, and South Dakota.
Yeah. My little boy.
It doesn't get any cooler than this. lifting that hot tub up how many feet?
It would have been 120 feet up there.
That's really up there. So this is our crane operator. What's your name and who you work for and all that good stuff?
I'm Dominic Malin out of Watertown, South Dakota with Weathergard Crane Service, and we're a family operated business and we run about 4 of these trucks.
Well, you guys did an absolutely excellent job. How many hot tubs do you think you deliver in your lifetime?
I've done a couple of them. I've done more swimming pools than anything, but this is the first time lifting a hot tub 100-some feet in the air. So
That one was up there, wasn't it?
Yep.
It was a little scary for me, but you did an excellent job. It's safe and sound, and we are good to go.
Yep.
You're a rock star. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.